everyone. Hey, we are your news reporters for today's special assembly. And the big news is Grade 4D is presenting an assembly on World Mental Health Day. Yes, we will explore that a happy mind keeps our body healthy. We have Thirukkural, Doha and a thought-provoking skit called Who Rules Your Feelings? And that's not all. We will be